Let's learn some colors name. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, orange color, blue color. Let's learn to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Thanks for watching.